Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram. We are working with equal groups with a problem related to TEKS 5.7a, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got some bookshelves. Each bookshelf is 4 feet long, and we need to see how many inches we have with those bookshelves. So each bookshelf, this statement right here is going to tell us two things. So first, this is telling us that we're dealing with equal groups because it's a statement that lets us know that we have a set of something and that within each of these somethings is the same amount. So we can be looking to either multiply or divide. And then it actually tells us what the group is, right? Each bookshelf, that's the group. So that's going to be helpful because when we say we've got 9 bookshelves, well, that lets us know it's the number of groups because we've already identified that our bookshelf is our groups. And then how long is each bookshelf? We've got 4 feet long. So each group is going to have something in it. In this case, it's going to be distance. So this is the number in each group. And then what we're looking for is going to be the total. How many inches of shelf are there in all 9 bookshelves combined? So this is our total. So when we are given the number of groups and the number in each group, we're looking for the total. That means we're going to multiply. Now, please note the number in each group is given to us in feet, and they ask us for inches. So we do have a unit conversion coming up. Let's first figure out how many feet there are. So we've got 9 bookshelves. So I'm going to draw a strip diagram like this. I'm going to leave it open at the end in case I'll go ahead and close it because I think I can do thirds and thirds. All right, so I'm going to try to break this into 3 equal parts. All right, so then I'm going to take each of my 3 equal parts and try to break those into 3 equal parts. 3 times 3 makes 9, so I've tried to make ninths. Inside each of these 9 sections, each of these represent a bookshelf. I've got 4 feet. 4 feet all the way across. All right, so I've got my 4 feet, and then if I wanted to, I could figure out the total for how many feet I've got. So we would see that we've got 9 sets of 4, so that's going to end up with 36. All right, so if we wanted to, we could kind of put a total down here to kind of mimic what we have up there. We've got 36 feet. Now, 36 is an answer choice, but you notice that it's given us 36 inches. So that's not what we're looking for. We need to find out how many inches there are in 36 feet. So there's a few different ways we can do this. One, we can take this 36 feet as as the total amount here. So let's make a new one right here. We can say we've got 36 feet, 6 feet, okay? And what that's going to end up being is that's going to end up being 30, each foot is going to end up being a group. So I'm going to end up going like 1, 2, 3, 4, just kind of like this. And then I'm just going to draw an arrow that says 36 times. I'm not going to draw all 36. And what we need to know is that 1 foot is going to equal 12 inches. And so we've got 12 inches right there. So inside this foot, I've got 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches, all the way across. So really what I'm looking for is I'm looking at 36 times 12. Because within each of those feet is 12 inches. So let's multiply. That's going to end up being 72, and that's going to be 36. So it's going to be a whole bunch of inches. In fact, it's going to be 432 inches, and so our answer here is D.